My people, una fit help pikin dem wey get autism o. Make una know wetin dey worry person before una judge am. If una see pikin wey im behavior dey one kind, make una no judge am say whether im mama no train am well. E fit be autism. Person get autism no be say person dey craze or say the person be ogbanje. Wetin be autism sef? Autism na one kind condition wey be say e dey affect the way wey pikin dey take grow and the way wey dem dey take behave. The pikin no go fit do the kind things wey im mate dey do for that age, and their behavior go dey different one kind. Pikin dem wey dem get autism, dem dey for many many country for this world. Some dey very serious wey be say the pikin no go fit learn for school and e no go fit talk wetin dey do am or wetin im want. But some dey get only small autism wey be say dem go fit learn for school and dem go fit do normal things for themselves. How you go take know say pikin get this autism sef? Watch the pikin wella when the pikin dey like 1 year and 6 months go reach the time wey the pikin be like 3 years. You go see the sign if the pikin get autism. The sign dem plenty o. I go mention dem one by each. Whether you be the mama of the pikin or whether you be the papa, the teacher, the nanny or another person wey dey care for the pikin, if you see all this kind behavior for the pikin body, abeg take the pikin go see dokita wey oyinbo dey call pediatrician. Na the signs be this o. If the pikin no dey deaf, im suppose answer you when you call am. But pikin wey get autism, if you call am, e no go answer. 2, the pikin go dey look another place when you dey talk to am. Im no go look your face. 3, the pikin no go dey like to play with other pikin dem. Im go dey like to play by himself all the time. The pikin go just shout. Nothing do am o. E go just shout like person wey mosquito bite. 5, the pikin go dey comot your hand if you touch am for head, for mouth or for im shoulder. 6, the pikin no go talk. If the pikin bin dey talk before, as im dey grow, im no go talk again. Im fit dey only copy wetin other people dey talk. 7, the pikin fit dey suffer to go toilet. E fit dey get constipation, make e no fit go toilet or make e dey shit water water. 8, the pikin fit no dey sleep wella for night. 9, the pikin no go fit point finger show you wetin im want. 10, the pikin fit dey play with one thing, whether na toy or something wey im like wella. Im go dey play with that thing, dey roll am again, dey roll am again. Im no go tire for this only one play. 11, the pikin go vex if you change the things wey im dey do every. Im go like to dey do the same things every. 12, that pikin fit get ogbonge fear for some things, like when nobody dey with am for inside room or when light no dey for inside that room. Im fit dey fear when e see plenty people or when plenty noise dey. Im go dey cry and im go dey cover im ear with im hand. Some of these pikin dem fit dey hit their head for wall or dey beat themselves if dem vex. For the video wey go follow this one, we go talk how we go fit help these pikin dem for house after we don take dem go see doctor of children wey oyinbo dey call pediatrician or child psychologist.